Suki.
You're holding a snake?
Where's his head?
Inside.
Oh, man.
It's coming out
Oh,
right
hello.
You're not scared, son?
No.
Hello guys! Mami Sonic here again! Kasama ko na naman ang aking pamilya at ang video na ito ay ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano katapang ang aking anak. Meron siyang hinawakan guys na hindi ko kayang hawakan. Ayan, proud lang ako, proud.
there. I find out. Should I feed him? No, right?
Yeah.
Suki.
You're holding a snake?
Where's his head?
Inside.
Oh, man.
It's coming out right
Oh, hello.
You're not scared, son?
No. Why is his head so... Why is it so big?
Does it bite, Michael?
No.
No?
Only when he's eating.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Why is he within the ball?
Because they're called ball pythons. He's not happy right now. Well, he doesn't know.
Ang tawag sa ahas na ito guys ay ball python.
And he
Alam niyo
smells
ba
with his-
na ngayon ko lang nalaman na ang klaseng ahas na ito pala ay sobrang chill at friendly. Hindi sila nakakatakot kasi hindi agresibo at madaling alagaan.
Matthew's own TV is holding a snake.
Wow!
A ball python.
Kaya pala ang daming tao ang gusto na maging pet ito kasi sa sobrang komportable silang kasama. Parang stress reliever lang sila sa bahay. Ganun. Nako, para sa akin guys, hindi ko talaga kayang hawakan yan. Kahit sabihin mo pang harmless at lalong-lalo na hindi ako papayag na iuwi ng mag-ama ko yan sa bahay. Kasi takot talaga ako sa ahas guys. Lalong-lalo na yung bang taong ahas.
Your Suki's house is here. Come on, Suki. Bye. He's looking at my camera.
Ha?
Oh, look at those tongue. Come on, Zuki.
Slice it on. Yeah. You have to open the big one up. Yeah. In the middle. The middle latch. There.
How do you know? How could you tell if he's hungry or not?
Because he's not going back in his cage.
He's like
He's looking for
hunting.
food. Yeah. Because they'll usually go right in there if he's not. Can you help me out, too?
Maiba naman ako ng hayop na ipapakita sa inyo guys. Dito naman tayo kay Bunny, Sweet Bunny. Isa ito sa pinaka-paboritong gustong alagaan ng anak ko. Kasi ang cute-cute din ng mga bunnies. O diba guys? Hanggang dito na lang muna guys at hanggang sa muli magkita-kits tayo. Salamat!